Ditching your old iPhone for the latest model doesn't mean leaving your precious contacts behind. Let's get them safely moved over in a flash. First, ensure both your old and new iPhones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, on your old iPhone, open the Settings app. Tap on your Apple ID banner at the very top of the Settings menu. Next, select iCloud. Scroll down until you see Contacts and make sure the toggle is switched to the ON position. It should be green if it's already on. Toggle it off, wait a few seconds, and then toggle it back on to force a sync. This will ensure all your contacts are safely stored in iCloud. Now, on your new iPhone, go through the initial setup process. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with the same Apple ID you used on your old iPhone. Select the most recent backup of your old iPhone and let the restore process complete. Once the restore is finished, open the Contacts app on your new iPhone. All your contacts should now be safely transferred. Give it a few minutes to fully sync. If you have a large number of contacts, now you can enjoy your new iPhone with all your important connections intact.